Wow, everyone here, and we want to make money from the market. सुबह सुबह में market खुलने वाला है, so we are going to make money for sure. Okay, so how many believe that there is money in the market? How many believe? No belief?
I believe.
Yeah.
We believe.
Let us fataфट. Let us understand.
We all believe. We all believe.
All believe. All believe. Money is the main criteria of it. We want to make money from the market, and this is where we love to have this. So going by the small time frame, 60-minute का time frame में, okay, this is what Bajaj Finance. चलो, Bajaj Finance में where we can see the demand zone. Let us see. अगर ये खुलता है नीचे के साइड पे तो कहाँ पे है demand zone? Right over here at 2113.76. लेकिन अगर नीचे ही खुलता है, then we have the different demand zones over here. 240 minutes का demand zones are there, and the lower side का demand zone. So every place we have this demand zone being marked. So this is where we want this to come in. वहां से reversal आएगा तो we want to buy, not otherwise. Okay. At the same time, we want to understand what is the overall bigger time frame of the market doing. So we'll let us go to the bigger time frames. Okay. Now we are seeing bigger time frame में the stage. We have seen this different stages of the market. Stage 1, right? And then the stage 2, which had happened, and we were into the stage 3. Okay, now we have entered the stage 4. So guys, we are into stage 4. सुबह सुबह में नीचे खुलेगा, कितना खुलेगा, क्या खुलेगा? Let us understand and find out exact levels. So here we have one gap. Here we have the gap over here. So will this gap be filled up? Yes, of course. This gap will be technically be filled up. So what is this gap? Let us put in the lines to find out the gaps being filled up. 9588. So this is our gap which is to be filled up. Okay, there is one more gap down below over here. See over here. 9315. 9315 वाला gap. 9367 9315 का गैप. ये दो गैप है जो यहाँ पे भरने के लिए आएगा. वो अभी ये सुबह सुबह में गैप डाउन ही खुल रहा है, तो दैट मींस वी आर गोइंग टू सी ऑल दिस गैप बीइंग फिल्ड अप. Okay, now where is a very strong level from where it has run away? Okay, where was the strong level from where it is run away? I am drawing a broader picture. Okay, I am drawing a broader picture and not drawing the exact but a broader picture. Okay, बड़ा zone बना रहा हूं मैं just for the sake of it, and I will explain why. 9173 and 8968 levels. Okay, बड़ा वाला zone बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं for you to understand. Now let us go fast to the levels where it is where is the SGF Nifty doing. So what how do we go about that? We go to the money control. So let us click the money control. Okay, and in money control let us find out क्या है करके. अरे नहीं चाहिए अपने को, money control चाहिए. So money control में go to markets. Okay, and in the markets everything was in the red yesterday. Even today global markets are in the red. Let us check the global market also. So in global market, Nasdaq down, SGF Nifty down by, instead of 300 points, 250 points, it is down. लेकिन gap down तो खुलेगा ही खुलेगा for sure. Everything is down. So today our opening will be down for sure. Okay. So when we go to markets, you go to the technicals.
No, sir, we can't see your screen.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm sorry, I keep on forgetting. Excitement बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay. Sorry. So in the market, okay, in the market, you come and then you see the Nifty details over here. Okay, and which are the stocks which are very strong, which are the stocks which are very weak. ये सब details आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. Now you go to the technicals. Okay, when you go to the technicals, okay, you will find all the levels over here. Gold ने क्या किया कल? Okay, which are the stocks which are weak? Crude ने क्या किया? So you are able to find out all the levels over here. Okay, now all this you want to go about good enough. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा exercise कर सकते हो, लेकिन earnings में आ जाओ पहले. Today, what are the earnings? Now, which are the stocks which are into earnings? Okay, Hero Motors ने already we had seen this announcement quarterly today. SBI to announce quarter numbers today. ये तो 5 तारीख का है. So these were all these are the old ones. Upcoming results. So these are the results which are there. Anything Castrol? Yes, Castrol का result है. Eicher Motor का results है. Now why I am looking at over here is Hindalco का results है. Okay, IOL का results है. M&M का results है. Okay, Mangalore Chemicals, all these results are there. Now these results which are coming in, हम लोग को निफ्टी वाले results को साथ में important है. Those who are in the Nifty stocks or those who are in the FNO stocks. So when you are looking at the results, you want to find out your stocks which are into that results. Now whether the results are coming good, bad, यहाँ से थोड़ा idea मिल जाता है, and then you will check the charts. Okay, you will check the charts, how to go about it. So earnings में this is what you are looking at, and market में you need to see the global market. Now all the Asian markets are down, so today we are going to open down around 200 points. And which are the stocks which may hold the Nifty? Which may hold the Nifty? So which are the strong stocks which are which can hold the Nifty? लेकिन 3 दिन से वही strong stocks are going really bad. So let me again share the screen with you and let us go to the Nifty. Let me first share the screen and let us go to the Nifty. Okay, so let me check the Nifty first. So ये Nifty का chart है already आपके पास. Okay, now 250 points down. So where it is coming? 990.
9650.
92 minus 250 points down. So where it is opening? 9652. So अपना levels किधर है? 9652, 9588. So is this not our gap opening which is happening? ये gap भरने के लिए आ रहा है, तो सीधा सीधा open ही इधर ही हो जाएगा. तो technically 9588 तक अपना gap भर जाएगा. Okay. Now what I am looking at is what is the high of this particular candle which is there. Okay. Let me show you the high of this particular candle. The high of this particular candle is 9852. 9852. Okay, and the low of this candle is 98. Just a minute. I'll just check this out. Low is 9553. High is 9591. उसके बाजू वाला जो अगर कैंडल का देख रहा हूं तो high is 9852. How come it is 9852? Okay, अच्छा ये कैंडल सीधा इधर ही दिख रहा है, ये गैप को लेके चल रहा है इसके लिए. Okay, okay, okay. So low of this particular candle is 9706. So I can put it this particular candle to 9706. 9706. वो तो already वो line आ ही गया है. So let me एक minute. Control Q. Let me check this out. Okay. So I'll take this as the high from where it has run away. Okay. So this gap technically is getting filled up today. Okay. So सुबह में opening यहाँ पे होगा. Now what we want to understand is whether this level will wait, it will hold. So that is why we use a tool called as Fibonacci ratios. So let me take you to the Fibonacci ratios. Okay. So over here, take your tools, retracement line. This is basically Fibonacci. So where is the movement coming from? So to the top. Okay. And let me थोड़ा इसको dark कर देता हूँ. ओके अभी ये बहुत ज्यादा डार्क हो गया तो ये खाली लाइंस को मैंने डॉटेड लाइंस कर देता हूँ सो आपको क्लियर पिक्चर मिल जाएगा सो वेयर इज अवर ओपनिंग 96 समथिंग
सेलेना गोमज कौन है?
राइट तो वेयर इज अवर ओपनिंग ऑलमोस्ट
क्यों उसका नाम डाला गया?
लेवल्स पॉइंट हेलो आवाज थोड़ा बंद रखो थैंक यू so it is opening right at the 50 levels okay opening over here at the 50 levels of the Fibonacci ratios okay and from where it has really gone up 9510 levels can we see 9510 levels और ये यहां से गैप ओपनिंग मार के सीधा सीधा ऊपर भाग जाएगा that is a question mark just a minute my daughter is calling from Canada just a minute please excuse हाँ बेटा बता म्हणजे क्लास चालू आहे ना 15 मिनिट પછી फोन कर ना म्हणजे क्लास चालू आहे ओके ओके थैंक यू सॉरी okay so guys our levels are there at the same levels abhi yahan se you will have to wait for a strong level to come back bounce back ho raha hai ki nahi ho raha hai okay so if there is a bounce back do we find a bounce back then you have to use our 10 minutes or 45 minutes wala levels to understand whether it is going to be a bounce back from here or not or whether there will be a pressure down below okay don't just jump into and जबरदस्ती से कुछ भी चीज बाय मत कर लेना suddenly or you whatever you want to buy वो वाले stocks को हाथ लगाना and see what is happening okay there will be definitely some pain over here so we will find this level सीधा सीधा gap down opening over here so let me make you understand कहाँ पे क्या खुलेगा तो
गुरु भाई एक क्वेरी था
बोलो बोलो
अभी ये गैप फिल हो गया उसका माने क्या कुछ इम्पोर्टेंस रहता है या कुछ माने क्या मायने रहते हैं माने
yes generally क्या होता है
क्या
it is being said that most of the gaps get filled before the movement happens on the top side कभी भी कोई भी चीज वैक्यूम में नहीं जाता है तो वो गैप भरने के लिए आ जाता है ओके एंड दैट इज बिकमिंग वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अभी कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि एकदम छोटे छोटे गैप्स नहीं भी भरता है इट इज परफेक्टली ऑलराइट लेकिन ये तो काफी बड़ा गैप था जो अभी भरने के लिए आ रहा है सो ये अगर गैप भर गया एंड वेदर इट इज गोइंग टू बाउंस बैक तो इफ इट इज गोइंग टू बाउंस बैक तो टिल वेयर इट इज गोइंग टू बाउंस सपोज फ्रॉम दिस लेवल टू then our 9822 will be a level to look at and if it is going to go down then this will be the next support level 9510 levels are you getting me okay so you have the levels with you okay 9666 जो जहां से डायरेक्टली वहां पे ही खुलने वाला है now is it going to go down further yes possible okay वहां से अगर घूम रहा है okay so you have to see your candlestick ka pattern whatever time frame you want to work on okay now which are the stocks which are strong stocks which can hold the nifty Reliance TCS HDFC Bank okay अभी SBI का 186 के बाद में 177 आ गया है तो कहां से मूवमेंट हुआ है 150 से मूवमेंट हुआ it gave 30 points on the top but now all these strong stocks are they going down really bad or they are holding it if it holds that nifty will hold and then thoda up movement aayega lekin again we are on the stage 4 okay so upar jayega selling on the top will be the criteria you should be working on okay upar niche वापस ऊपर वापस नीचे वापस ऊपर so नीचे जाएगा and then when the levels are broken on a higher time frame maybe 30 minutes 60 minutes का level को bullish engulfing whatever it is if that is coming then and then only I want to buy into something intraday wale can do an in and out fast but you should be locking your profits you don't have to think कि भाई ये 500 पॉइंट ऊपर भाग जाएगा no practically not possible V shape recovery नहीं होने वाला ओके प्लस जुलाई अगस्त एंड में जो रिजल्ट्स आने वाले हैं, ओके प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस, जुलाई अगस्त में जो भी रिजल्ट्स आएंगे वो रिजल्ट्स विल बी पेनफुल रिजल्ट्स. ओके सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. जब भी मार्केट गैप डाउन खुलेगा, दिस ओपनिंग्स विल बी देयर. ओके so let us check the bank nifty also, very important that we find out the bank nifty, क्योंकि कल बैंक निफ्टी पकड़ के रखा था. Okay, today definitely there will be gap down in the bank nifty also. So let me clear this. Okay, again I am saying today morning we will see a gap down opening. Okay, coming down to our levels of 9666 के आजू बाजू. Okay, and then will this level hold or it is going to go down? Okay, if it goes down then our level is 9510, but if it holds then it will try to go up to 9713 and then going up till 9822 levels. ये दो levels का numbers लिख के रख दो, it is going to help you. Okay, so I am saving this for future reference. Okay, and then immediately we should go to the bank nifty. Okay, so we are here in the bank nifty. Now you can see in this case we had already drawn the levels on the top. Okay, and again at in the same thing here we are finding a gaps over here. Yes or no? The gaps are seen over here. यहाँ पे एक gap है. Now will this gap be filled up? Yes, possible. So what we are going to do with the same thing, we are going to have our Fibonacci lines been drawn over here. Acha, like always, all the platforms will do gadbad today. Okay, आपका order जाएगा नहीं, घंटी नहीं बजेगा, blah blah blah. This is what happens always. So you have to be careful. Okay, work with your stop losses. So where is our 17023 से लेके we went right on the top at 21500 levels odd. Okay, 21700 levels odd. So let me check our levels. Dotted lines बनाता हूँ and save कर लेता हूँ. So this is our levels. 38% levels is 19,964 and 50% level जहाँ पे अपना gap है is 19,405 levels. So ये 1000-2000 पॉइंट नीचे टूटेगा. ओके, तो पॉसिबल है कि ये लेवल्स जो अपना पहले का जो जोन था जहां से स्ट्रांगली भाग गया है, दैट जोन विल एक्ट एज अ डिमांड जोन. सो आई एम रिमूविंग दिस पर्टिकुलर लाइन. सो ये एक लेवल है 19405 एंड 18846 वाले लेवल्स. सो लेट मी ड्रॉ ब्रॉडर रेंज. ये मैं ब्रॉड बना रहा हूं और वी वांट टू हैव अ प्रॉपर रेंज. देन दिस इज योर लेवल्स, demand levels. Okay, now if it doesn't want to go down further, okay, so these are the levels. 38.2%, 19964 levels, 19405 levels, and 18846 levels. Okay, so again I am saying these were the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and now we are in the stage 4. Okay, wait for a reversal to come in before you buy. Okay, so यहाँ पे pre opening has started. Check this out.
क्वेरी था बैंक निफ्टी के बारे में.
हाँ, पूछो.
अभी जैसे आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कुछ जो डिसीजन है उसका मोरेटोरियम के बारे में, इंटरेस्ट रेट के बारे में.
करेक्ट.
तो अपने को फिर वो ट्रेड वो सिचुएशन में अगर न्यूज ड्रिवन रहेगा या उसके न्यूज के पहले ही अपने को एग्जिट कर लेना है जो भी ट्रेड करके करना है, या न्यूज होने के बाद ट्रेड करना है, कैसे?
करेक्ट. यस, 101%. और ट्रेल योर स्टॉप लॉस, सिंपल एज दैट. ट्रेल योर स्टॉप लॉसेस 2000 पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम हियर.
इतना जोर से मूवमेंट आता है.
यस, So now see, please understand, 20,576 पे closing हुआ है, 20,508. Okay, now 20,508. So at least 1000 से 1500 पॉइंट तो नीचे खुलेगा ही खुलेगा. Okay, so let us calculate that 1000-1500 पॉइंट वाला थिंग कहां पे खुलेगा.
Near 50% retracement probably.
Probably. So 19407 के 405 के आजू बाजू खुलना चाहिए.
अच्छा मयूर भाई,
या बोलो.
I had one question. अभी जैसे निफ्टी का इन लोग रेट दे रहे हैं प्री
हाँ.
ओपनिंग, तो स्टॉक तो कोई ट्रेड ही नहीं हो रहा है, तो रेट कैसे डिराइव करते हैं लोग?
नहीं, प्री ओपनिंग का
Stock
रेट
trading
रेट
हो रहा है
आता है ना. Let me understand, make you understand. Now here is the Nifty का, Nifty 50 का all the stocks.
हाँ, बट उनसे ट्रेडिंग तो हो ही नहीं रहा है ना उनमें.
नहीं ट्रेडिंग नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन प्री ओपनिंग में
अरे पर
ट्रेडिंग होता है.
डिलीवरी हो रही है ना, you can buy, no, buy or sell, you put your order in, no, which can be
हाँ, but
executed in
F&O में
the
नहीं हो
first
रहा है.
7 minutes.
Only in delivery.
Yes, तो
Yes,
based on that वो
first 7
कैलकुलेशन कर लेगा.
minutes.
So guys, let me explain to you that सुबह को 9 बजे जब भी मार्केट खुलती है, from 9 to 9:07, okay, lot of orders are being placed. कोई सेल के लिए बेचेगा, कोई बाय के लिए. Now see, किसको 125 में लेना है, किसी को 148 में बेचना है. So all these levels are being put पहले ही मार्केट में जाता है, कैश का लेवल्स. Okay, now when the cash का levels are going inside the market, okay, what is happening is between 9:07 and 9:15 all the calculations happen and किसी को माल मिल जाता है, that becomes the opening price of that particular stock. Okay, matching करते हैं सुबह सुबह में. All this is done by the computers. Okay, that becomes the opening price. See over here, बजाज फाइनेंस में 2572 में कोई बेचने के लिए तैयार है और कोई 2105 में खरीदने के लिए तैयार है. So if I am pushing my order before 9:07 at 2105, मेरे को माल मिल जाएगा at 2105. Okay, so that will be my opening price. Equity में ये काम होता है.
ठीक है.
And this is perfectly all right. If you want to buy Bajaj Finance at 2105, I can place my order. I can push my order over here. ये pre-market
got
order रह जाएगा.
समझ गया.
Okay, so this is how it will function. अभी देखिए, बजाज फिनसर्व 46242 में कोई बेचने के लिए तैयार है, ऑलमोस्ट 1000 पॉइंट नीचे. So this is how it will function basically.
Okay.
Okay, and ये जो ओपनिंग होगा यही बेसिस पे होगा, यही
Got it.
बेसिस पे होगा. So कोई इक्विटी में माल खरीदने के लिए तैयार है नीचे के साइड पे, और कोई तो पागल होगा ना, सुबह को बेचने के लिए तैयार है, तो आई वांट
पैनिक सेलिंग हो गई.
यस,
पैनिक सेलिंग हो गई.
पैनिक सेलिंग होने वाला ही है. सो जो एफएनओ में मरने वाले हैं वो तो मरने वाले हैं, लेकिन फ्यूचर्स वाले मजा करने वाले हैं, बिलीव मी. ओके, एंड ऑप्शंस वाले मजा करने वाले हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ वी अंडरस्टैंड वेयर टू सेल, वेयर टू बाय. सिंपल एज दैट. सो कल टीसीएस का वंडरफुल नितिन had found out, Angelo had found out TCS sell. Today it is going to make money. We had seen Nifty and Bank Nifty sell. We are going to make money out of that. So morning में we will be closing few of the trades, or we will be just trailing it out. क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. So you need to find out what you want to do and keep learning and find out how we can be the best. Okay, it's very important for you to be in the game correctly. अभी पैनिक सिचुएशन क्रिएट करने का, अभी फिर से जो लोग मार्केट में नहीं है उसको फिर से चांस मिलने वाला है टू एंटर द मार्केट आल्सो.
Correct.
Okay, so who are there with us? Let us just look at it. Let me check it out. Dr. Saab is there. Bala is also there. Sunita ji is there. Vinod is also there. Good. Everyone, wonderful opportunity once again for everyone. 300-350 point market नीचे खुलने वाला है. So whatever is there, okay. Again, Hindalco did not go beyond 148, and now coming down to 130 levels. So this is going to happen, boss. Okay. And when we will have this opening coming in, okay, when the opening comes in, you want to buy, you want to sell, is what you want to do. You will be playing the game based on your time frame. Okay, now whether you want to buy something or whether you want to sell something, it is up to you, but go for the strong stock initial. Go for the strong stock and then see the difference. अगर निफ्टी ऊपर खींच के लेके जाता है तो not a problem at all, we want to be in the buy. But अगर banking कल थोड़ा पकड़ के रखा था ले तो banking would have been really bad. Okay, so guys, thank you very much to join me. Okay, अभी देखिए lot of activity has stopped now 9/7 happens, so 350 points is what is being looked at. So कल का जो भी है उसका 350 points को माइनस करिए and check it out. So guys, very important that you all guys have a clear picture. हम लोग का जो भी सिस्टम हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, okay, use a 10 minutes candles, use a 45 minutes candle and play the game correct. Okay, मार्केट में पैसा है, definitely पैसा है. Okay, just follow the system and the money is there with you. Now if the market is being pushed down, sell, don't buy. But when the reversal comes in, you want to buy, take a call. अच्छा, जो लोग नया है उसके लिए the best way to go about is take at least 2 stocks, 5 stocks and play the game. वो हार्ट में गुड़ होना चाहिए, पेट में गुड़ होना चाहिए. Why? Because you will come to know what mistakes you are doing. It is okay to go wrong, but this will be the best time to trail your stop loss. Okay, 5 स्टॉक में भी काम करो. Don't just stick. अरे मेरे को डर लगता है, डर तो मेरे को भी लगता है. Every trade which goes in, मेरे को भी डर लगता है. But it is okay. We have to overcome our fears. of वो डर का fear को निकालो. Please telling you, डर को निकालो. And if you are removing that डर, okay, then and then only the money is going to come to you. Now you want to buy something good enough, you want to sell something good enough. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये चीज मेरे को buy करके रखना है, good, go ahead buy. No, who is stopping you? But if you are new and you want to do something, use my three wala formula. Buy 30% now, 30% after 3 weeks, and 30% after 3 months. And as a trader, मैं in and out करता हूँ. So am I worried for my portfolio? No, because I have sold 50% on the top. So मेरे को जब भी सस्ता मिलेगा मैं फिर से पिकअप कर लूंगा. Not a problem at all. But don't get stuck in the top. चिल्ला के बोलता हूँ, you need to get out also. Okay, so believe in your system, believe in yourself. Okay, this laptop can become your ATM machine. डर तो मेरे को भी लगता है. Please understand, I am also human being like you. So मेरे को भी डर लगता है. पैसा जाएगा, मेहनत का पैसा है, जाएगा तो डर लगता है. लेकिन this is the best time to make money also. When we are in a particular stage, we want to do sell. When we are in a particular stage, we want to buy. Simple as that. That rules need to be followed. And option wale, yaar, how can I tell you, yaar, this is the best time for every one of us. Okay, paisa banao. Okay, because it is going to give you that confidence. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I will not be in the game when the market start. I have a lot of positions with me which I need to clear. So we will meet again if you want. दोपहर को 2 बजे हम लोग फिर से मिल सकते हैं. Not a problem. Everybody.
Okay, dear. Thank you.
Everybody want to come in at 2 o'clock? Okay, chalo.
Sure, sir, yeah.
At 2 o'clock. Let's meet at 2 o'clock.
Thank you, thanks.
Okay,
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, Mahesh.
Any questions? Last questions? Somebody who is new want to ask questions? Thank you. Chalo. Bye bye. Take care.